Right, there's another POV. I've asked the lads about doing it. You know, I did do a sneaky one before, but I'm doing a legit one this time. He said I can use my handle. So like I said, if you come into the park, they don't care about POVs. It's really good. So I'll get you a good few angles on this one now. I think Tom said he might start feeling a bit sick. If we can, we'll try and get the front as well next. And then I might do as a separate POV. I won't bother putting it in the vlog. Here we go. Do you know what you just said before about starting to feel a bit sick? It's intense. It is intense. It's really good. I think we might try and get a front row now. Yeah, I absolutely love the design of this train. I just want to say, the lads here are brilliant. They're so good. Really good staff. Yeah, we're going on again. Last time, I think, Tom, what do you reckon?
The last time.
Last time. Oh, I love it. I love the bird. I'm definitely getting a fridge magnet and a t-shirt. There we go. Yeah, good lads. That's it. Clip your thing in. There we go. Yeah. It's amazing. How many rides have we done today?
What, on this?
Yeah.
I think this is my 7th.
7th.
Yeah, just done 4 in a row.
There you go. 7th go. Can't beat it. How many times did we get on Vekoma? Twice. Oh, you did it once.
The park's open for another hour. We could sit on this.
I know, we can. It's, you can see there. Here we go. Off again. Right, here we go. Lech Coaster. Like I said earlier in the vlog, it is so smooth going up this lift hill, you can't even feel it going up. It's amazing. The back of the train. Get yourselves to Poland, anyone that's watching this, book a flight, get yourselves out here. Here we go. Look at the hang time. Woo! Time's insane on it. Woo! Oh! Oh wow! Woo! Oh wow! This is it, so final bit. Oh wow! Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Game over, game over. No, I could actually sit on this for quite a while. I think this is the best Vekoma coaster I have ever been on. The theming's great, the train's great, the airtime's great, it's amazing. And the staff are great as well. Cheers lads.